Motorcycles for beginners, the ultimate guide. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is one of the best entry-level motorcycles, providing beginner riders with an excellent combination of ease of use, stylish design, and reliable performance. As part of Honda's Rebel series, the Rebel 500 is a popular choice for those new to motorcycling, offering a smooth and approachable ride while also delivering the kind of versatility needed for longer trips and city commutes. Engine and performance. The Honda Rebel 500 is powered by a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that produces around 47 horsepower. This engine provides a smooth and manageable power delivery, making it easy for beginners to learn and build confidence. The bike's power is enough to keep it exciting but not overwhelming, ensuring that new riders can handle various road conditions without feeling intimidated. With a 6-speed gearbox and a light clutch pull, gear changes are smooth and effortless, allowing riders to focus on the road ahead. The Rebel 500's lightweight design, at just 190 kilograms or 419 pounds, contributes to its nimble handling, making it ideal for tight city streets or winding roads. The bike's low seat height of 690 millimeters (27.2 inches) ensures that even shorter riders can comfortably place their feet on the ground, adding to the sense of security and control. Comfort and ergonomics. The Honda Rebel 500 is designed with comfort in mind. Its relaxed riding position features upright handlebars and mid-mounted foot pegs, providing a comfortable stance for new riders. The low, wide seat offers good support, making long rides more comfortable without causing discomfort. The bike's suspension system consists of telescopic forks in the front and twin shocks in the rear. While not fully adjustable, this setup is well suited for everyday use, ensuring a smooth ride while absorbing most road imperfections. The suspension setup helps maintain stability, whether you're commuting through the city or cruising on longer rides. Advanced features. The Honda Rebel 500 comes equipped with several modern features that enhance the riding experience. LED lighting. The Rebel 500 features modern LED headlights, taillights, and turn signals, improving visibility and giving the bike a stylish, contemporary look. Digital instrument cluster. The easy-to-read digital display shows essential information, such as speed, fuel level, and trip data, helping riders stay informed while keeping the focus on the road. ABS brakes. The available anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, enhances braking performance, preventing will lock-up in emergency braking situations or slippery conditions. The verdict. The Honda Rebel 500 is a standout choice for beginner riders seeking a simple yet exciting motorcycle. Its approachable power, comfortable ergonomics, and modern features make it a great option for those just starting their riding journey. Whether you're commuting, exploring back roads, or enjoying weekend trips, the Rebel 500 offers the right combination of style, performance, and ease of use, ensuring new riders can develop their skills with confidence and comfort.